Hello everybody, just a little introduction to this video again today. As with the last walk, the video clips had corrupted on the SD card, so I've had to use the software to recover them. The software's done a really good job. It's enabled me to put this video together, got them into a sort of a usable condition, so I was really pleased that I was able to recover them. But just wanted to sort of give this little warning, as with the last video, the sound quality and a little bit of the image quality isn't up to its normal standard. But yeah, still being able to put together a video, so I'm really pleased. Hope you enjoy it, and yeah, let's get into it now.
Morning, just gone 7 and we're back at Porthcothan. Just got off the bus. This is where we ended the walk yesterday, and yeah, heading off back to Newquay today via Bedruthan steps. Yeah, I'm here nice and early this morning, so I'm not going to run out of light today like I did yesterday. I've got plenty of time. Slightly shorter walk today than yesterday. I'm starting much earlier, so yeah, I've got a bit more time to have a look around and enjoy it, and I'll get back to my car before it's dark. But yeah, anyway, let's get going. We're just down on the beach now. We're going to come off the beach, head up onto the cliff around the headland, up onto the coast path. I see the sea hasn't calmed down any this morning. I thought it had when I was waiting for the bus back in Newquay. It seemed a lot flatter, but back here it's still big waves, big surf coming in. So yeah, unlikely I'm going to go for a paddle today, which is a shame because I carried my towel today and yesterday on the off chance that the opportunity might arise, but never mind. Save that for the spring. pretty big section of the cliff there that's about to, well, I say about, I don't know when, but at some point this bit here is going to go. It's already dropped a couple places. There's a big ravine there. Looks like some people are still cutting across there, but I'm going to walk around. Shame about the sea spray coming in off the waves there, because it's obscuring the view a little bit behind me, but that's Bedruthan steps, so we're going to sort of walk up along behind those now, and well, hopefully when we're there you'll see them a bit clearer. Morning. I'll go around the back of this one. Look at the size of him. So this is where the path used to go. But not anymore. Right, so this is a much better view now of the Bedruthan steps, and each of these steps or islands, rock stacks, they've actually got individual names. So running north to south, you've got Diggory's Island, Queen Bee's Rock, Samaritan Rock, Red Cove Island, Pendarves Island, and Carnivaz Island. Now, I apologise if I've murdered any of those names, but that's my interpretation of them. But yeah, lovely beach. I don't know if it's open. I know that in the winter they close the steps off going down onto the beach, so I presume it's currently closed, but we'll have a look when we go over there in a minute. This is the path that leads down to the steps for the beach, so we'll go down and have a little look if it's open. Oh, that's interesting, that sign there. Yeah, it looks as though these steps have been closed for some time. I don't know if there's another way down. Beautiful beach. Ah, there's people down there. How have they got down? Must be another way. Just stopped and had a coffee at the cafe here, and I was chatting to the man in the shop there, and he said the access down to the beach has been closed for a good couple of years. And I asked him how would the people on the beach have got down there, and he said there are some places where you can scramble down, but it's not advisable, and he said it tends to just be the surfers that sort of are willing to take the risk to go down there when the surf's up. But he said, yeah, you know, it's not safe to be down there. Yeah, the sign notice board in the car park, National Trust notice board, said that they are looking into some feasibility studies, and consultation work is ongoing with landowners to try and work out if they can open up the access again down to the beach. hopefully at some point in the future, yeah, they will be able to open the access down again, because it's a beautiful looking beach. Right, anyway, we're carrying on now. Next stop is Morganporth, and I don't know if you can see it, but it's just started to rain, so yeah, hopefully that doesn't stay around for too long. Right, it's the first glimpse we've got of Newquay, where we're ending today. It looks a bit up and down in this section first, but yeah, not too much further to go now. I think the next stop we get to is Watergate Bay. Out of Watergate Bay now. I had to stop there briefly to put my waterproof coat on. It's eased off again now, but yeah, still really nice, really hot. I'd quite happily just be in a t-shirt if it wasn't a bit raining. About three and a half miles now to Newquay. So yeah, what's that, hour and a half maybe. Yeah, not too much further to go now. It's been a good day, good walking. I was pleased I got here early and started early. I think I had the best of the weather earlier on. So yeah, see if we can get back to the car before it really starts to get wet. in Porth now, and we've come from up here, and what I wanted to do was come along the coast path here, and then around, there's a bridge here going across to this island, which is an extra that you can do and walk around, and then you would come back along the coast path down here. Now when we were up here, the footpath's closed because of the erosion, so you had to come out onto the road, and then down to here, at which point you could have then gone back to see the island, but it was all uphill and I didn't really want to go back on myself. So anyway, we've carried on, come around the bay, and we are over here somewhere now. Right, just left Lusty Glaze and just bumped into a couple. They were asking me a couple of questions. Anyway, I looked at the man and I straight away recognised him. I said, "You used to be a teacher, didn't you?" And he sort of laughed and said, "Yeah." Anyway, I remembered him. He was my maths teacher back in my secondary school. So I left there in 2001, so a long time ago, but I knew it was him. So yeah, that was really strange. That's not local to this area at all, so yeah, it's a real coincidence to bump into them. Right, that's the end of the walk. This is Towan Head and the Headland Hotel at the end of Newquay. Fistral Beach is on beyond that. That's all for next time anyway, so when we come back, whenever that might be, we will start from the centre of Newquay. I'll probably get the train from home into Newquay, and then we'll start the walk from there. I don't know when that might be. I might come back and do some walking in the winter, some smaller sort of day sections again, like this time around. But if not, I'll wait for the weather to sort of improve, where we've got some more daylight hours to get some more walking in. Yeah, in the later spring. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed those last couple of videos. It's been a good couple of days. Weather's been alright actually. It's been nice and mild for the time of year. It's sort of mid-November now. The sea's been really good. Waves have been constantly sort of crashing in every day. Yeah, so it's been really enjoyable. So thanks for watching and see you on the next one.